this definition of success earlier today, and it said going from failure to failure with no lack of enthusiasm. And that really made me think of the current times that we're in, because my gym has now been closed for 2 straight weeks. I live in Los Angeles. The entire city is on lockdown. And I know most of your guys' mindsets right now. For instance, today is chest day for me. You can either approach chest day with, you know what, I can't lift heavy weights, I can't bench press, I'm not gonna get in a good chest workout. Or you can find new and exciting ways to challenge your body, create new stimulus, and actually grow from these challenging at-home workouts. Because today's chest workout I'm gonna show you, guys, this workout right here is a This chest workout is going to blast your chest all the way from your upper chest down to your lower chest. It's gonna be intense. It's gonna be a different type of stimulus than you are used to. And I know if you guys approach this with a great mindset, like you're gonna crush the workout, you're gonna go until failure, you're gonna train hard, you're gonna focus on activation, you will grow from these at-home workouts. This is actually day number 1 of I don't know how many. I'm gonna be showing you guys my day-to-day journey of trying to actually improve my physique even though my gym is closed. So I'm actually standing in my new gym, my garage here I just built. So let's get into this chest workout. So we're gonna start this at-home chest workout with a bang. We're gonna go back-to-back exercises until failure. I want you guys to challenge yourself, get as many reps as humanly possible. So we're gonna go close grip push-ups, because hands closer together as opposed to farther apart is going to increase chest activation and the upper chest as well as the lower chest. And we're gonna go regular push-ups until failure. Immediately after you hit failure, you're gonna go knees on the ground push-ups until failure. So back to back, we're just gonna do one set until failure and move on to the rest of the workout. So the knees on the ground push-ups are obviously a little bit easier. I believe you lift like 53% of your weight with your knees on the ground. And then you're up to 66% of your weight you're lifting doing a regular push-up. And then I'm gonna show you guys one angle. If you actually slide your hands backwards, you lift about 73% of your body weight. So I have no idea how many I can do here. This is day number 1. So whatever number I get, I'm of course gonna challenge myself and try to get a hell of a lot more rep by, you know, day 30 of this at-home workout challenge. So here we go. A little cold in here today. See, we get the chest pumped up. So here we go. And don't skip ahead. Guess down below how many reps you think I can do on the regular push-ups, and we'll see who's right. So here we go. So once again, your hands are not gonna be out here. You're gonna put your hands closer together. So right about here feels good. And for the purpose of counting these reps, no half reps. So all the way up. Now we're gonna go knees on the ground until failure. A lot of you guys are probably wondering, how do you actually progress the overload on these type of workouts as you get stronger and stronger? So I recommend you do this workout body weight only for the first couple weeks. Then a really easy way to actually increase the overload on the 5 different types of push-ups we're gonna do in this workout is, if you guys have a backpack, hopefully you do, all you're gonna do is you're gonna fill this backpack with books or any heavy object. And then as you do your push-ups, so, you know, we got some books here, we'll throw it in here. Good book right here, Shoe Dog. Throw it in. Subtle Art of Not Giving a That'll add 2 more pounds. Throw it in here. And then, you know, on these different types of push-ups, guess what? You're simply gonna wear a backpack. It's gonna add some natural resistance and overload to these push-up moves. 1 set until failure. That's all you're doing right there. Put all your energy into just going until failure to start the workout. I have crazy chest pump right now. Really feeling it. So you want to really keep your rest times short as you transition from exercise to exercise. So this next one here, you're gonna need 2 books. If you don't know what a book is, might be before some of your guys' time. So a book is basically, there's a bunch of words on paper and you read it and you get knowledge. Knowledge, guys. You're gonna grab 2 books. We have the Arnold Schwarzenegger Encyclopedia Bodybuilding. We got Tools of Titan. This is going to mimic kind of like the plate squeeze press. So what you're gonna do here, you wanna go 45 seconds time under tension on this move. Now, before you even start the exercise, don't start down here. Start right here, about mid-chest height. You're gonna squeeze these books together as hard as you can. I'm not even starting the movement yet. You see my chest working? Now, what you're gonna do is while you're squeezing the books together as hard as you can, come at an upward trajectory. So you're not going straight out, you're going in an upward trajectory. That's gonna work the upper chest. So the key with this one is squeeze as hard as you can throughout the entire range of motion and go for 45 seconds time under tension. So, oh yeah. And this is brutal. Squeeze that chest through. You know, about 15 reps, slow and controlled, or count 45 seconds time under tension. I want you guys to go 2 total sets of that, resting only 30 seconds between sets. So 45 seconds, time under tension, 30-second rest time. You're gonna feel this in the inner chest as well as the upper chest. So the third chest exercise is going to emphasize the upper chest. It's going to replace our incline presses. We're gonna be doing a decline push-up, hands, once again, not out here. Hands are gonna be closer together right here to increase the chest activation. Now, I have a couch right here. I recommend, you know, I think this is probably about 18 inches off the ground, 18 inches elevated. So you're gonna elevate your feet anywhere between 12 to 24 inches for this move. And then what you're gonna do here, so once again, hands closer together, and then I want you guys to go. And the closer, more that you push your hands back towards your feet, the more it's gonna increase the activation. So this is gonna be, for instance, this position right here is gonna be a lot easier than this position right here. So, you know, maybe each week, slowly inch your hands in closer to your feet. So I want you guys to go 2 sets here until failure. So 2 total sets, 30 to 45 second rest time. And if you guys are more advanced, you want to increase the difficulty level that will translate into more upper chest gains. Go down on the eccentric portion as you lower your weight on the push-up for a count of 3 total seconds. That's gonna increase the muscle damage by emphasizing the eccentric portion of the rep. So, you know, 3 seconds on the way down, explode back up. Let's hit some lower chest. Now we're gonna be doing some incline slow motion push-ups. Once again, hands a little bit closer together. Find any object you can place your hands on. You know, I'm using this right here. And we know it's gonna hit our lower chest by the trajectory of our arms. So watch this. If I get up from this position, see how my arms are pointing downward? So this angle right here is gonna be better for lower chest. It's gonna replace those heavy decline presses. So once again, 2 total sets until failure. Rest about 45 seconds between. This bench is perfect because I'm forced to put my hands close together. Try to slow the eccentric portion. So the 5th chest exercise, you're just gonna go 1 total set of this. I call these tension push-ups essentially a regular push-up, but you're gonna go faster pace. You're gonna be constant time under tension at a faster pace for as many reps as possible. So you're not gonna lock out at the top. You're gonna keep that chest under tension. And once again, if you guys are more advanced, watch what I'm gonna do with my hands. Once again, a closer grip. And if you guys wanna increase the difficulty, you know, walk your hands back here. It's gonna put more overload and activation right on that chest. I'll go about right here, hands inside shoulder width. And here's a tension push-up, guys. Although I'm going fast, I'm keeping that chest under tension the entire time, and this one will light up your chest, guys. So up to the 6th exercise, so for the last 2 moves, taking our talents into the living room. Now on this move, it's a little bit difficult to pull off if you don't have hardwood or tile. Now, I recommend you use little towels. You can use paper towels, you can use bed sheets, whatever allows you to slide your hands on the ground like this. So we're gonna be doing the sliding chest fly. You're gonna start on this position, angled downward. You're gonna get your front part of your quad on the ground comfortably, so you're not putting all your weight right on your knees. Now, on this move, think about mimicking like a chest cable fly or a pec fly. And it's actually really difficult. Really focus on squeezing that chest as you come up. So you're gonna go 2 total sets there, 10 to 15 total reps, and then immediately after, take off my shirt for this one, guys. Isometric hold. This one, what you're gonna do here is you're going to hold a static hold position for 30 to 40 seconds. Right after you get done with that exercise, you gotta pump, you got all that blood flowing in your chest. Watch what I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna cross my hands like this, and then watch this. I'm gonna raise my hands. So you're crossed right here, and then raise your hands, and you're gonna feel more of an activation right in your upper chest. So you can go knees on the ground too. Hold that static hold position for as long as you can. You know, 30, 40 seconds. Upper chest isometric hold, and then lower chest isometric hold. You're gonna go right here. So think about doing a high to low cable fly and just squeezing that position. Hold that for as long as you can. Really focus on maximizing that pump feeling right when you get done with that 6th exercise. So you're gonna go 2 rounds of this until failure. And that's a wrap, guys. So, you know, 1 total circuit. That was a brutal chest workout, guys. If you guys get used to that workout, add some overload on the backpack, add 1 more circuit, continue to challenge yourself, and that is the only at-home chest workout you guys are gonna need to build every single section of your chest. So this is gonna be an ongoing series, guys, so make sure you like this video, you share it with anyone trying to make gains from home right now, which is probably most of the world, and make sure you tap that bell because this is gonna be an ongoing series for the next 1 to 2 months where I share with you guys exactly how I'm staying in shape from my home with no equipment, and I know more than ever right now, we're trying to keep our immune system strong, we're trying to make gains from home, and I'm the co-founder of Elfline, and we put together the perfect supplement stack for you guys to boost your immune system and really increase your health in these really important times right now. So we have our top shelf whey protein isolate, we have Superhuman Greens, and we have Cyborg. This is the exact supplement stack that I'm taking right now to make gains from home, to keep my immune system strong, and keep my energy levels nice and high right now. I really enjoyed making this video for you guys. I'm so excited for this entire series and to share with you guys my upcoming journey of getting shredded from home. On the next episode, I'm gonna show you guys a little tour of my new crib. I'm actually standing right now in the master bedroom of my new place here on Manhattan Beach. So as you can see, we got a beautiful ocean view right here from the bedroom. Of course, Hulk the cat likes it. Right, Hulk? Hey, you wanna make gains from home? Should they subscribe? What should they do? Anyways, it's been real, guys. I enjoyed making some chest gains with you. Try this workout. Trust the process. You will blow up your chest from home if you do this workout and focus on intensity. So, see you guys tomorrow.